Brad Danger here, and today we're diving into 7 free or really cheap car mods that anyone can do at home with basic tools and a tight budget. From glowing headlights to free performance hacks, we've got everything you need to level up your ride without emptying your wallet, starting with Plasti Dip. Now, let's kick things off with a mod so cheap and easy, it's basically a rite of passage for budget car enthusiasts everywhere. Yep, we are talking about Plasti Dip. You've seen it, maybe even laughed at it, but trust me, done right, this stuff is pure car modding magic without draining your wallet. Got chrome emblems? Well, welcome back to 2004. Want that stealthy murdered out look without spending your rent money on blackout packages? Boom, Plasti Dip is here to the rescue. Grab a couple cans for under 10 bucks a pop, spray your wheels, badges, grills, even your entire ride if you're feeling extra bold. It's like vinyl wrap's thrifty cousin, and when you're tired of it, peel it off easier than last summer's sunburn. And hey, if matte black isn't your vibe, no stress. Dip comes in every color that you can imagine. Camo green, hot pink, electric blue. Match your kicks, your personality, whatever. Just a heads up though, keep this stuff off your headlights unless you're cool with zero visibility and chatting with every cop on the block. I mean, for under 20 bucks in a few hours, Plasti Dip is the cheapest, easiest glow up your car will ever get. Spray it, flex it, peel it, repeat. On to the next. Okay, and real quick, have you ever pictured yourself sliding behind the wheel of a supercar, hearing the engine roar, and feeling all eyes on you? Well, guess what? The Ideal Collective right now is your new home for automotive dreams. And yes, signing up to win an Ideal car is completely free. Join today for your chance to win the very first Ideal car that we are giving away, like this one. Links in the pinned first comment down below. Go sign up, spots are limited, and enjoy the rest of the show. Okay, now that we've warned you not to Plasti Dip your headlights, let's talk about what you absolutely should do to level up your lights. Enter Headlight Tint Films. Think of them as the sunglasses for your car. They're so cool, stylish, and just edgy enough to turn some heads. These tint films are like colored contacts, but instead of giving off vampire at the club vibes, your car is gonna scream JDM street cred. You can snag a roll of yellow, smoked, or even red film for under 20 bucks. And with nothing more than patience and a heat gun, or even your mom's hairdryer, we're not gonna judge. You can totally transform your ride. Ever admired those mean yellow fog lights on Subis and Evos? Yeah, that's exactly this. Prefer a stealthy smoked look? Same easy process. Measure it, cut it, stick it, heat it, boom, done. If you've ever slapped a sticker on a laptop, you're basically gonna be a pro. Now, your dad might ask you why your car looks like it just rolled out of Fast and Furious, but let's be honest, it looks awesome. Just double check local laws since the fun police can be picky on how dark you go. Either you or someone you know could relate. Here, you're sitting at a red light, your trusty early 2000s Camry. The light turns green, you stomp the gas and nothing. Your car hesitates like it's debating if today's even worth the effort, then reluctantly rolls forward like you just woke it up from a nap. Spoiler alert, well, your Camry isn't lazy, it's your stretched out throttle cable. Good news is tightening it is 100% free. Older cars use a simple mechanical cable linking your gas pedal to the engine throttle, but over time it slackens, causing sluggish responses. Grab a 12mm wrench, pop your hood, find the throttle body near the intake, and locate 2 small nuts anchoring that cable. Loosen one, tighten the other, remove the slack, and bam, instant pedal reaction. But easy does it, don't over tighten it because you'll rev annoyingly high at idle, wasting gas and patience. And the sound police might not like it either. Just snug it up enough to wake up the throttle immediately when you push the gas. Now, it's not gonna boost horsepower, but your car will feel faster. And you'll look like a DIY hero, and best of all, it costs absolutely nothing. This mod is for anyone whose grocery getter dreams of being a track legend. Painted brake calipers, because nothing screams, I go fast, like flashy red brakes peeking out behind your wheels, even if your discs are smaller than dinner plates. Ever notice Ferraris, Porsches, or even new Corvettes showing off vibrant calipers? That is a pure flex, baby. And now, for under 25 bucks, your ride can join the club. This is less cash than a date night out and way cooler than nuggets for sure. All you need to do is jack up your car, wheel wrench, wire brush, high temp brake caliper paint, and patience. Pull the wheels off, scrub your calipers spotless, mask off anything precious, and lay on some color. Classic red, always hot. Neon green or sparkling purple? Why not? Your car, your rules. This isn't just vanity either. Paint protects against rust and grime, keeping your brakes fresher longer. But quick warning, never paint pads or rotors unless you enjoy endless ridicule at Cars and Coffee. This cheap, easy mod gives your car track-ready attitude and big dollar looks for almost no cash. So now, your calipers are glowing red, your throttle response is crisp, and your headlights are wearing sunglasses. But what about inside your car? Let's be honest, most stock interiors are boring. Like accountant who never goes out boring. But for just 15 bucks, you can turn your cabin into a full-on light show. Welcome to the magic of interior LED glow lights. You've seen this trend on TikTok and Instagram. Colorful LED strips lining the footwells, dashboards, or door trim, turning even the most boring Civic into a party on wheels. You don't have to drive a Mercedes S-Class to get that luxury vibe. Amazon's got plug-and-play kits that cost less than a fast food combo meal. Most kits plug into your 12-volt outlet or USB port, then stick it on with adhesive. That's it. No soldering, no electrical degree, just peel, stick, plug in, and light it up like a Christmas tree. You can control the color with a remote or app, and some even sync with your music. This isn't just for show. Late night drives just hit different when your cabin is glowing in soft blue or purple hues. It's chill, it's stylish, and it honestly makes your car feel way more expensive than it actually is. Will your grandma love riding in a neon rave mobile? Probably not. But your dates, your buddies, yeah, they're gonna think this thing is sick. Pro tip, just don't overdo it. If you're not trying to blind yourself with RGB madness, subtle glows beat seizure strobes. Okay, now we're getting into the stuff that your mom's gonna love because it actually keeps you alive on the road. LED headlight bulbs. Once you switch to LEDs, you're never gonna go back. These things are one of the best bang for your buck upgrades that you can do, especially if your car came with those sad yellow halogen bulbs from the Stone Age. For about 30 bucks, you can get a set of plug-and-play LED bulbs that'll turn your dim, washed-out headlights into laser beams. Not actual lasers, but yeah, you get the idea. They're brighter, whiter, and throw a wider beam down the road, which means you see more sooner, and in bad weather, game changer. Installing them is stupid simple. Pop your hood, reach behind the headlight housing, unplug the old bulbs and twist in the new ones. It's like changing a light bulb in your house. Expect this one to make your car look 10 years newer. Just check your car's bulb size before ordering and you're golden. Also, fun fact, LED bulbs use less energy than halogens. So not only are you getting a better light output, you're putting less strain on your electrical system. It's like giving your car night vision goggles and making it more efficient. Win. Just make sure your bulbs are street legal and properly aimed. Don't be that guy blinding everyone in oncoming traffic. Manual drivers, and I hope everyone here can drive a manual, but this one is for you. And if you're still rocking an auto, well, don't worry, we're not judging too much. But for those of you who can row your own gears, there's one interior mod that's cheap, easy, and makes a big difference every time that you hit the road. A custom shift knob. Yeah, I know what you're thinking. Brad, it's just a knob. Who cares? But just think about it for a sec. Your hand is on this thing constantly, shifting gears, resting at traffic, which actually you shouldn't do, casually flexing your arm while you pretend not to notice that cute passenger side-eyeing your car. So why not make it awesome? You can snag a new shift knob online for as little as 15 bucks. I'm not talking about boring OEM replacements. I'm talking about samurai sword handles, cue balls, grenade knobs, things that you can't see on this type of internet. Also carbon fiber, leather wrapped, or even glow in the dark ones for those Fast and Furious at midnight vibes. Want a Dragon Ball Z knob? They got them. Need one that matches your paint? Done. There's a shift knob for every type of enthusiast. Installation is way too easy too. Most knobs, they just screw on. Unscrew the old one, twist on the new one, maybe throw in an adapter if your thread size is weird, and boom, instant tactile upgrade. It takes 5 minutes and turns every gear change into a moment of joy. It's like a handshake with your car that only you and your best friend know. So there you have it, 7 simple, affordable, and seriously cool ways to upgrade your car without breaking the bank. Whether you're rocking a project car or just want to add a little flavor to your daily, these mods are going to bring maxed style for minimum spend. So let us know which one you have done before or which one you would like to do in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed the vid, like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. Check out these Ideal vids over here. I'm Brad Danger. This is Ideal. We'll catch you next week, and promise me one thing. Keep living the ideal lifestyle.